That's how you stop. Stop. We're gonna do some preliminaries here. Where's your brake? Alright, that's the brake. Either one of them. This one preferably. This is your throttle. That's how you give it gas. Alright? Like that. And when you want it to stop, you let off.
Hey, tell him not to put his foot down. He put his foot down.
Don't put your foot down. Go slow. Just go slow.
Oh, buddy, you're doing great.
You're doing awesome. Good.
Put your feet up and go. I don't want to do it. Man, he always does that.
All right, take your hand off.
Oh, Jeff.
Webb, stop.
Jeff. Oh, man. I can't take it.
He can't ride a bike.
He can, and he will, and he'll do great, but I can't take it. It makes me a nervous wreck.